Hello and welcome to the program Freaks of Nature. Today, the Geek of Nature with Richard Attenborough. Since the early dawn, the geek has evolved into a stage of high intelligence, making it a creature of learning and understanding. The geek can often be seen doing peculiar things, like watching Star Wars and other popular sci-fi stuff. It uses a lot of time in front of its computer, playing and consuming knowledge to become a smarter being, and also watching... yeah, you know what I mean. Due to its antisocial nature, the geek often encounters mating problems, finding it hard to get a proper geek spouse. The geek, an astonishing creature of high intelligence, caught in the act of doing everyday things. Look at him, carrying out the action to write. Yes, he's writing. But, shy as it is, we'll never know what it has written. Done writing, the geek starts to read. Geeks love reading. And when he's done reading, he has read. So he sits. The geek likes to sit right where he sat earlier. The geek normally doesn't like to cook. But here we see him in a rare situation of cooking. It seems the food has not yet cooked to its maximum, so we'll wait a little bit. Now, a new ritual is carried out. The geek is going to eat. Magnificent. Look at him eating. As if he has never eaten before. Usually, to drink is done while eating. However, the geek waits until he is done consuming the food before he starts to drink. While drinking, he ponders upon what he drank the only time he was drunk. At band camp, this one time. Now, we got really lucky. A geek exercising caught on tape. The geek normally does not like to exercise, but has probably read something about the benefits of exercising. You know, women. When exercised, the geek is exhausted. He needs to rest. Look at him. Here he is, resting. Let's try to sneak up on him. As it seems, it will probably be a while until he is fully rested. The Geek of Nature is known to snore, so you should listen to him snoring. Listen. This is a rare encounter I can tell my grandchildren about. The geek who snored. As the geek falls to sleep and is soundly sleeping, we retract ourselves from its natural habitat, and we should be careful not to wake him up. The goal is, when he has slept, he won't even realize that we have been here. As we leave, I can leave my natural camouflage on this counter, where I found it so that nothing is disturbed. Thank you very much for watching and sharing this experience with me. I bid you a fond farewell. Richard Attenborough here. Until next time, goodbye.